Welcome back, everyone, to Wonderland Explores.
You might notice something's a little bit different in the background. We're at the beach. So we decided to get away from Central Florida. It's a weekend. It's gorgeous out. The weather is absolutely beautiful. So we are currently in Port Orange, Florida, which is near Daytona Beach, just south. So we're kind of butting up against like Ponce Inlet area. And we decided to go and take you guys somewhere a little special for us.
Oh yes, it's been such a long time since we've been here, like 7 or 8 years or more, and it's a little restaurant called Catfish. I hope it's as good as we remember.
Yeah, and it's gorgeous. It's right along A1A. We're just a stone's throw from the beach, so I think we're gonna go in, check it out, have some food, and then from here, we're gonna head down towards the beach and check out a few surf spots. I know there's some breaks going on. We checked it out before we came here. So I think it's just gonna be a fun, relaxing day. Come along with us as we explore. So we are having a little bit of a Jimmy Buffett day, right? So right out here, you might remember the album A1A. This is A1A that Catfish sits on. So it's just kind of nice. I mean, like you have the mangroves around here, you have all the pylons and the piers and the pelicans and everything. It's just like, it's such a nice break from Central Florida. So it's only about an hour away from the theme park. So if you're looking to do something different while you're down here, it's really a short drive. So you could probably rent a car. I'm not sure if ride sharing would go this far, but you could definitely get here fairly easy and pretty quickly for the day. But I mean, how gorgeous is this? I mean, you can sit here and eat and watch guys fish on the bridge over here. There's a young kid fishing. Got some folks out on their boat enjoying the day. I mean, it's a light breeze. It's gorgeous. It's wintertime in Florida, and this is just, it's just picturesque. So it looks like you can actually rent boat slips for $150 a month with 24-hour access. Huh. And that's kind of a neat thing. So you could keep your boat here and you could eat here. 100 plus catfish below, feeding frenzy. I haven't really seen anything so far. I looked back over there, I saw a sheep's head back by the pylon. So here we have the famous Catfish. Let's see over here. It says Port Orange, Florida, 435 pounds or 675 fish sandwiches. So I just noticed too that every Friday and Saturday night they have live music here from 5 until 9 p.m. overlooking this beautiful, beautiful intercoastal. So I did want to show you guys this menu. It is absolutely massive. So right now we're on the lunch side, and it's served from 11:30 to 4 p.m. And from this side of the menu down, you can purchase any of these, and it comes with what they call the Camp Fixins, which is like a salad and sides and bakery, all-you-can-eat bar. So pick any of these, and then you get all of that, all you can eat, which is pretty awesome. And the prices are super fair. So I think for today, we're going to go with the shrimp for $9.99, and then also the fried clam strips. That sounds good. And then, yeah, we purchase that, and then we get the whole sidebar. But on the back, they also have a huge dinner menu, too. So as long as you purchase an entree, you have access to the fixings bar. But I mean, like,
This
yeah.
is
Oh, there you go. Yeah, right here. Fish Camp Fixings and Bakery. So baked beans, cinnamon apple, cheesy grits. I know everybody says they're well known for their cinnamon rolls, and I do remember those the last time we were here. So we're definitely gonna have to try those out. You are so happy right now.
I'm like smiling from side to side. Yes, I'm super pumped. Like when you think you come in here, like most seafood restaurants, you're like, oh, I hate seafood. When I go in, it's gonna smell like seafood. No, it's so misleading. It's very clean, it's cute, and when you walk in, it smells like cinnamon rolls. Oh, so good. I can't wait to try them. Have you ever had a beer in a mason jar? I'll have to say I have not, but I'm very familiar with the ball mason jars. This is high quality mason jars.
This is the New Smyrna Brewing Company Shark Attack IPA, which I find kind of funny because it's like, it's kind of known to be like a shark breeding ground here. So that's pretty good. No, it's super good. I like that. It's very refreshing. It's refreshing, yet it's kind of like a little on the dark side too. But I like that. It's good.
Maybe since we drink this, they're like, oh, the sharks will think, hey, you've already been attacked once today.
We're one of them. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad we're going to the beach after this, right?
Yeah. I feel like I've been
shark attack with some goodness. This is good. Oh, this is such good ideas. I don't know. I think, like, you know, when you go to places, you always have that sentimental home feeling. And this kind of reminds me of, like, hominess meets the beach.
All right, Shanae, so we're at the fish Camp Fixins. Let's see what we got going on here.
Coleslaw, 3 potato salad, a broccoli salad,
Mommy's everything's food.
stewed apples, cheesy
Because
bread,
all my
super
friends
fun
say
ground, and baked beans.
Oh yeah, look at that. Man, this is some down-home southern goodness right here.
And a little cornbread at the end.
And a little cornbread. Got the grits going on there, a little potato salad, and then they just came out with fresh cornbread.
Got a little bit of everything.
I got a little bit of everything. I'm really excited about this broccoli salad. This is it's got like little raisins in there, little cheese, little onions, all sorts of things. This looks really good. I love that. These are like creamy, cheesy grits. Oh my goodness.
I remember those last time. They were amazing.
Oh man, if you had like shrimp and grits, this is like the perfect shrimp and grits. That makes sense. So good. Ooh, you even got a little bit of the beets.
Yeah, that is very good. The pickled beets, they have the good flavor. They're tender. They also have a 3 potato salad. That's so good too. And the next thing we haven't tried is the slaw. It's chopped finely. I like it when it's not like runny, like soupy with like mayonnaise or the seasonings. That's a perfect one. I mean, I love all these sides. 5 out of 5, all day long. You knew it was gonna happen. Love it.
One thing you can really enjoy here is the all-you-can-eat cinnamon rolls, and I will tell you what. Look at how delicious that is. Oh yeah.
No, they're not good.
Oh
They're
man.
favorites.
Look at that. All you can eat. Oh man, it's so good. We haven't even gotten our entrees yet, but that icing session there, I was like, I need to grab one of these.
These smell
I'm gonna cheat.
so amazing.
I know we haven't gotten our entrees yet, but like I just showed you how she was icing all those things. I'm like, I can't resist this. I just need to get one. So I grabbed one. Let's try it. Oh my god. Like, this is not even fair. This is so good. This is 5 out of 5 all day long. Those are some of the best cinnamon roll. That's the best cinnamon roll I ever had in my life. That's delicious. Our lunches have just arrived. You can see, man, I think you get a lot for your money. Even still, it's $11.99. The shrimp was $9.99, but look, you get a hush puppy. These fries too. Wow.
Oh, these are the good fries.
Those are like beer battered fries.
Yeah, like just look at that. Like, yeah.
These are huge clam strips.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not like all breading either. This is like a chunk of clam. Like, my goodness. And you can tell that this is, let me see. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure that's house made. That tastes like it. That's, wow. I'm super excited for the hush puppy. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. You can see the steam coming off of it. Oh man. I love a good hush puppy. You can see like all the little chopped up veggies they put in there. This looks really good. That's so good. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's a 5 out of 5. Everything so far. I don't need to eat anything else. This is what it is. This place is awesome. It's amazing. You guys need to come here. We love it. There's like little dill flakes in their tartar sauce. Oh man, you can smell the lemon too. I love this place. For like $10, this is so good. This is not a tourist trap. Like, I've read some reviews and stuff, but like, I don't know, man. This place has stayed constant. Like, the people are super friendly. Like, it's fantastic service. Like, the food is great. You get a lot for your money. Like, this place is awesome.
We pulled it apart. It's lightly breaded, which I like on the shrimp. You know, sometimes when it's overly breaded, they're trying to like hide the flavor of the shrimp. But look how tender that looks too. It's perfectly cooked. I'm gonna try without sauce. Oh. Yes. Oh, you know how to do it in Catfish. So, we saved the apples for a little bit later in the dinner adventure. These smell so good. So like back where I'm from, we have the apple barn. We have the cooked apples and all the deliciousness. We showed you a video. You can go back and check it out. But I love this. There's no like peeling on the cooked apples, which I love. I think my mouth watered just then. So it's tangy, which and then it's followed by like the sweetness, and then like the cinnamon goodness, and it's tender. It melts in your mouth. So good, so good. And you snagged a little bite of the cinnamon roll, so I can't wait to try that out. Whoa. No words can describe it. Yeah. This is, I would agree, one of the best cinnamon rolls I've had. 5 out of 5. I love it.
And on top of all that, like, look at the view. Look at this view that we've had the whole time we've been eating. Like, that's the one right there. Look at how gorgeous this is. So I do kind of like to show you guys how much that we actually spent on this. So, I mean, we got 2 drinks. We got some cinnamon rolls to take home with us. We have the shrimp basket and the clam strips. Came to $42.16. And that includes, like, the all-you-can-eat cinnamon rolls and the fixings bar while you're here. I don't think that is a bad deal whatsoever for where we are and what we got. So we didn't know this until we were walking out. If you buy an entree, you actually get a gift certificate for the value of the entrees that you purchased. So in other words, we spent $21.98 on entrees. They gave us a gift certificate for $21.98.
And look at the date.
Yeah, it expires next year.
Next year, yeah.
So I can come back here and basically get exactly what we just bought for free.
So this is a little promotion they're doing for Christmas, and they're doing this until
December 23rd.
So if you're in the area before that time.
I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, one of the things too is like, you can always do this and then like give it to somebody else even as a gift certificate that's coming down here. This is just so awesome. I love this place. But I think now we're full. The sun is getting beautiful. It's almost like, the middle of the afternoon. So we're going to head down towards the beach. And it's time, we need some beach time. Little R&R on the beach. Well, we have finally arrived at the beautiful Ponce Beach. We're at the little portion where there's no cars allowed. So as most of you probably know, Daytona Beach does allow vehicles on the beach. So like luckily, we found a little spot where I don't think there's anybody within, I don't know, several hundred yards in either direction from us. So I mean, it's like we have a little private beach. The weather is beautiful. Wish you were here.
We're a bunch of beach babes.
Yeah, we're beach babes today. So. Yeah, no, my gosh, it's just so awesome to be back here at a beach. I love it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So just taking in this beautiful, beautiful scenery. Out here in the distance, you can kind of see far off. That's Ponce Inlet, and you can kind of see the jetty sort of going out there. That's a popular surf spot. I may try to walk down there. It's kind of hard getting past. There's a barrier for the cars and whatnot. So maybe we'll go check out the surfers. You could definitely see there's a little bit of surf action even down this far. Lots of people that are doing inshore fishing here. Got their casting rods. Just a beautiful, beautiful day out here on the beach. And you can definitely see all the boats off out in the water. There's some folks parasailing. Just absolutely beautiful. This looks like a piece of horseshoe crab. Used to see these a lot on the the west coast of Florida. They'd wash up pretty often. Yeah, it's not plastic. This is horseshoe crab. So we did notice they got a little debris towards the back of the beach here, but this is kind of where we've been finding the seashells and whatnot. Pretty much picked over for the day along the shoreline there. I think as the day goes on, maybe we'll see some more emerge, but you know, it's just kind of fun. You walk around, you get some sun. You never know what you might find along the way. Wow, look at how thick that shell is. That's pretty wild. Look at that. So just finding lots of clam shells along the way. It is the East Coast, so a lot of these you don't see the colors in the shells over here as much because the water is just that much colder on the East Coast of Florida. But you do find an occasional really pretty one. But they're usually gone around this time of the afternoon. You got to get out here in the morning. So in another life, I used to surf when I was in college. So it's kind of got me wanting to get back out there and try this because I'm seeing some guys down at the end of the beach. They're clearly having a lot of fun. It's December, like just surfing, enjoying the sun in the middle of December, right before Christmas. So I think for this afternoon, I'm gonna stop, just enjoy this because it's gorgeous. Well, everyone, we hope that you enjoyed coming along with us to Catfish, Ponce Inlet, Port Orange, Florida, joining us here on this beautiful beach on this wonderful day in the middle of December.
We can't believe it.
We don't want to rub it in too much. It's pretty awesome here today, so yeah.
But if you ever make any travel plans, you can keep this in mind.
Yeah, definitely come check it out. It's only about an hour and a half from Disney, so definitely worth a day trip. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and as always, until next time, friends, bye.